Is it windy as well?
Oh my god. It's January 5th. It's not December anymore. It's January. And it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. It's very late for snow. But do you know what? I don't hate it. It looks really nice. For reference, they said we were going to get like 13 centimetres of snow. And that looks a lot more like 30 instead of 13. And we still have a lot of snow up in the sky coming down, which you can see flakes of. But, yeah, none of this was here when we went to bed last night. And with strong winds and more snow in the sky, who knows what this could look like in a couple of hours' time. But I don't think it's the appropriate current climate outside. But when it's a little bit calmer, we can send the drone up and see what the DannyBot 9000 has to say about the situation. Because even the birds in the sky are struggling. So we're going to wait and see if the wind calms down. Not necessarily the snow is the problem. It's more the wind. We'll just have to wait and see. But as far as now is concerned, I'm going to let the wind calm down a bit first. And then we can maybe try and launch the drone up. A nice cappuccino and a nice brekkie fast. Both proteined up with a hot drink and enjoying the snow. That's crazy, that. Can't see it on the video with the most, but there's like big thick chunks of snow coming down now. Like big flakes about that big. That's nuts. Yeah, 100%. Look at that. This camera's really good quality because when you zoom in you can actually see all the big chunks. Big chunks of snow. What a shot! Mate, look at my feet. My feet are going like into the ground. What the hell? This is insane. This is nuts.
Not in it, is she?
She's moving.
Oh, never mind. Don't want to be in it. You don't want to be in the picture.
That's the first.
You don't want to be in the picture.
Snow shop.
You don't like your hat.
The Talon army has tried to attack the snow. We got some yellow weather warnings, which is pretty wild. And we got some shots using the drone, so I'll edit them in to the vlog for you guys. But kind of crazy the amount of snow that's hit us in just 24 hours. That's nuts. This time yesterday, nothing, not even a light dusting, and now you've got like 18 inches of snow. It's kind of nuts. I mean, some cars have managed to make it out, and some cars have not. But it's more the ice. That's the problem. Nobody likes ice. Snow, all day long. I'll take snow. But ice, I mean, this pug's having a good time. That pug managed to make it out of his house. Don't get me wrong, if I had a sled, and if I could get the Mini out, I'd be sledding in 2 minutes. But considering how thick this snow is, especially around some areas. Like, that's a fresh bit of snow up against the wall, and my boot is now submerged within it. That is kind of nuts. That is mad how deep that snow is. But we never got a white Christmas, so we'll take a white January. I mean, this will really test everyone's New Year's resolutions of people who were like, I'll go for a run every day. If you weren't running in this, 10 out of 10. Well done. But yeah, some cars have looked alright though. Like this car's clearly been in and out. So, I don't know. I'll have to see how the day pans out. But look at that winter wonderland view. Very nice. Mini Maxis has arrived. She's tackled the snow for the first leg of her adventure. The second leg, getting her home.